In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a domain with HostGator's cPanel. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just starting, managing your domain is an essential skill. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your HostGator cPanel account. If this is your first time or you haven't done it for a while, locate your login credentials in the confirmation email from HostGator when you signed up. Once you've entered your username and password, hit Login. This will take you to the cPanel dashboard, your central hub for managing your website and related services. Now that we're in, let's move on to adding your domain. In the cPanel dashboard, look for the Add-on Domains option. Alternatively, if your cPanel setup has been updated or customized, you might find this under the Domains section. This is where you'll add your new domain to your hosting account. Click on it, and you'll find a simple form. Here, you'll enter your new domain name, being mindful to choose something memorable and relevant to your content or business. Make sure there's no typo, as this could lead to complications later. Once added, cPanel will automatically fill in the subdomain and document root for you. With the domain added, the next crucial task is configuring DNS settings. This might sound a bit technical, but I assure you it's quite manageable. You'll need to point your domain to HostGator's name servers. Usually they will be something like ns1.hostgator.com and ns2.hostgator.com, but it's important to check your specific account details or any emails from HostGator that include this information. Log into your domain registrar's site and locate the DNS settings. Replace the current name servers with HostGator's. Remember, DNS changes might take up to 48 hours to propagate, although it's often much quicker. Next, you'll want to set up email accounts associated with your new domain. Back in cPanel, find and click on the Email Accounts option. Here, you can create new email accounts that use your domain name, adding a level of professionalism to your communications. Simply input the desired email prefix and create a secure password. Repeat this process for each account you intend to use. With email sorted, it's time to focus on the website files. Upload the necessary files into your domain's directory located in the File Manager under the document root you specified earlier. If you're building a new site, you might use a content management system like WordPress or upload custom HTML files. Finally, take a moment to verify everything is working properly. Your domain should be active and resolving as expected. Open a web browser and enter your domain. You should see your website or a placeholder page. This confirms your DNS settings and site files are correctly set. And that's it. Your domain is now live and functioning thanks to HostGator's cPanel. Now you can focus on building and optimizing your site. Thanks for watching and good luck with your domain management.